Good day and welcome back to Miss Castle's 5 and 5, where I attempt to teach you or to show you how to complete an activity in 5 minutes or less. With this video, we will go over what we will do once we've completed our daily assignments in one subject. So we're picking up exactly where we ended off. Okay, so we just finished doing language arts. We took a break because that's pretty much what our schedule should look like. We should do one class, take a break in between, and then come back to do the next class. So we just finished 1.1. I know because I have my green bubble with my check mark, okay? For module 1, your activity is, if you want to check back and see where we are, you can go back. You can see your whole resource folder now has the little bubble, green bubble with the check mark in it. We can reduce and we can go into module 1 from here as well. So the first thing we're going to look at is those vocabulary cards. You can download this and save it to your Google Drive, or you can save it onto your computer for later access. You're going to mark it as complete once you have downloaded it and go to the next activity. Multiplication introduction is 8 slides. Again, your table of contents is here telling you everything that you are going to go over. You want to go through each one. The student should go through each slide because this is the lesson. Okay, welcome to the 3rd grade. Each desk has supplies waiting for the new students. Let's look at the desk and the pencils on them. How many pencils are there? Let's multiply to help count all of the supplies. You will answer the questions and then you will go to the next activity. Okay, you will continue to do that. Once you make it to the end of your lesson, you will most likely have an activity sheet that you will have to complete. Once you get to that sheet, just like answering these questions, 2 times 5 gives us what? 10. 2 times 5 is 10. You will continue to do that until you get to your actual activity. Pick your answer. Match and multiply. You will open up this. This is your worksheet for the day. You will complete this worksheet. You will draw lines to the one that matches the multiplication problem on the side. You can open this with Cami. Once you open it with Cami, you will use your drawing tool, should you choose to do that one. And you will go 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We have 4 3s, so that is the same as saying 4 times 3. You can draw your line. And what would your answer be? You can simply either write it in or you can type it in. Once you have completed your worksheet, which is probably, sorry, let me change this. Once you have completed your worksheet, you can increase and decrease the size of what your screen looks like. You have one page. Once you have completed it, you are going to export. You're going to export it to your Google Drive. You're going to select your folder, same as we did with language arts. We're going to go with the demo folder. We know this is math. We're going to click one time on math to highlight that folder. Click select. It's going into math. We left it as the same name, and we're going to begin export. Once it is exported, we're going to close it because we know it went into our Google Drive, and we should be done with our math for the day. We're going to go back and take a look. What's next? We do have another activity. We'll work on that activity. Pick a strategy. We have 2 more slides to go. You would answer this. It's like a little review of what you've already done. And then one more. It's going to be like another little review of what you've done. And then you'd have to mark as complete. That will be all of your math for that day. You will then stop, take a break, and you can come back and do science the same way, and then come back and do social studies the same way. Only the one activity for the day. So the one slideshow with whatever activity is in it, you will complete for that particular day. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you in the next video.